What lubricant should I use on the clothes dryer drum shaft/bearing? I have a Sears Home Central laundry center. Model 417.94802301. I have some LPS ThermaPlex bearing grease. Will this be okay? Thanks, Stan.
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. LPS ThermaPlex bearing grease will work. Any thicker type bearing grease will work. You need a bearing grease that's maybe almost as thick as Vasaline.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.